In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a habit tracker in Notion. We'll keep it simple, practical, and focused on getting you set up quickly so you can start building momentum with your routines. First, open the Notion website. Once you're on the homepage and in your workspace, look for the Marketplace. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the navigation area. The Marketplace is where Notion collects pre-made templates created by Notion and the community, and it's the fastest way to get a habit tracker without building one from scratch. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Habit Tracker. You'll see a variety of options pop up, each with a slightly different layout and style. Some are minimal, some are calendar-focused, and others are database-driven with checkboxes and progress views. Click on any template to open its preview. This page usually shows screenshots and a brief description, which helps you understand how it works before you add it to your workspace. When you've found one that fits your style, select it, then click the template to open its details and choose Add. Notion will place a copy into your workspace so you have your own version to edit. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll be inside your new habit tracker page, ready to make it your own. Now it's time to customize and add your weekly habits. Start by renaming the template page to something clear, like Weekly Habit Tracker. Look for the habits list or database and replace the sample items with your real habits, things like morning stretch, reading, hydration, or study time. If the template uses a database with days of the week across the top or as properties, edit those labels if needed so they match how you think about your week. You can reorder habits by dragging them, delete anything you won't use, and add new ones for the routines that matter right now. Many habit tracker templates include checkboxes or a status field for each day. Use those to mark your progress as you go. If there's a notes or reflection column, keep quick comments there, like what helped you stay consistent or what got in the way. For a cleaner look, adjust the view to show only the current week, and archive or duplicate pages as you move from week to week. You can also tweak colors and icons to make the tracker inviting and easy to scan. That's all you need to get started. Open Notion, head to the Marketplace, search Habit Tracker, pick one you like, add it, and customize it for your week. Keep it simple, update it daily, and watch your consistency grow.